So today we are going to do Kolhapuri misal and we will need these many items. Let's go over them. Tomato, coriander, onions, turmeric, one potato, actually you can put more, garlic, lemon, coconut, sesame seed, onion garlic masala, chili powder, salt, oil, ginger and matki. We will start with peeling the potato. Then cut it in a big pieces like this. Put them in a pressure cooker. Along with matki. Fill it with water. That's enough. Cover it up. Big pieces are fine because anyway we have to grind them afterwards. Next, onion. Let's start with frying sesame seeds. And we have to fry them until they turn brown like this. Can you see? And they goes into mixer. Next will be onion. And once it has a little bit golden shade, it also goes in mixer. And now it's the time for frying coconut. Here goes the coconut. And lastly, tomato. In the meantime, I'm going to cut garlic in half. Yippee! So tomato. Okay, so we have first layer of sesame seed, then onion, then coconut, then tomato. And then let's put some garlic and some ginger paste. 1 spoon of onion garlic masala. And then now start with some oil in the pan. Then turmeric and chili powder. And then all the gravy. As gravy is cooking, meanwhile we have to cut coriander, onion and lime. Now remember potato and matki we boiled? This will go into this. Looks good, but did you realize what I am missing? Oh yes, the salt. And the final touch, garnishing with coriander or cilantro or coriander. It's really confusing over here. Finally, serve it in a bowl. And finely chopped onion. with some lime juice. And eat it with what? Chapati? No, where is the bread?